Good morning, family. How are you guys doing? So today, for the first time for the summer, before the kids go to school, I'm taking them to the beach for the first time here. So some of us are here in my car and some is behind us in Dad's car. So yeah, I'm taking you guys with us today to the beach. Yeah, so come along. So we are all here, guys, going to the beach.
One can talk with each other alone. One boy can talk.
So yeah, only one is missing, the big one is missing. So all of us is here going to the beach. Yeah, we're going to the beach. The sun is so hot, Daddy. It's so hot. Hot, hot, hot. The sun is hot. Everybody's with an umbrella. Yeah. Ooh, the beach is so warm. I love tourists here. A lot of tourists here.
I don't remember this shot. Oh my god, hi, Claude. You just scared
Chris, what's wrong with you? First time to the beach.
No?
Yeah, to the beach.
No, this is not our
for
first
the
time.
summer.
This is our second.
Yeah.
First time this summer, please.
Where's the first? The first time for the summer. Have we come to the beach since the summer started?
Yes. Up there.
Hey, shut up.
Okay.
You say your aunt can't hold in that. Give Ali.
This your stuff.
You're so excited to go into the
Right now. Nope.
water.
Yeah, I was just asleep. Oh.
Okay, go on the sleep on man in the
Where's
sand.
Alia's swimsuit? Alia have a much bath suit. What happened?
Don't you see them? Don't
Come
you
on,
see
David,
them?
put you put that on for you. That for you.
Courtney, come take your kids them to the water.
Make that.
So when it's somewhere else,
Come on, this one. Me and David going.
They have the towel them.
Yeah, I watch you all.
Guys, you see, oh, this beach is so rough.
Look! Come on, David.
So you guys, the water is so pretty, so nice. So as you see here, a lot of tourists is here. The beach is all the way. It's a long beach, all the way on that side too. Yeah. So we're here with the kids. And we're going in. We're going in. We're going in. Why you not at Chloe? Where you going? Where you going? On a waterproof. Where you going a shirt? We're not going on a shirt.
Take off her shirt.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is so nice. The water is so nice, guys. Only if you guys could feel it right now. It is so nice. Oh my God. So much people here on the beach. So much people here on the beach. A lot of tourists. So we're living in the tourist zone. We kind of massive beach further. Yeah, the water is not that deep, guys. It is not that deep. So, see? It is not that deep. It's my knee. So, yeah. The kids kids are good to swim. They are good, they are safe to swim. Yeah. The water is so nice. Watch baby girl, watch Chloe and her daddy. Her first time at the beach. Chloe first time at the beach. Guys, she loves water. She loves water so much. Yeah. Yeah. Chloe, say hi to the family. Say hi YouTube. How you guys doing? Remember to like the video. Tell a friend about us. Share the video. And remember to give us a thumbs up. Alia, come. Come, mommy. See grandma right here. Come, look. I'm coming right here. Come, sit right here. Come, mama. Sit right here with grandma. Come, sit. Hey! Woo! Are you okay? Woo! The wave. Chloe first time at the beach. Chloe first time at the beach. Oh my God. Yeah. Why you guys don't go there to the swim? The water is not that deep. Come on, take the boys out a little more. Woo, Chloe! The water in your face. Woo! Guys, the wave is boxing the water in her face. Oh my God! She's enjoying it so much, guys. What happened?
I can't see any blood. I need something.
Wipe your face. Wipe your face.
With what?
Your hands. With your hands. Chris, just wipe your face. Somebody love this water. Hi, YouTube. Say hi to the family. What happened? You want to go? The wave, the wave, the wave. The wave. The wave. Woo! The water and Chloe. What happened, mommy? What happened? It's too much? Woo! You want to get out?
Thank you, Mama.
Ooh, the wave is so much, guys. Ooh, the wave taking you over there? Guys, they're having so much fun. Woo! One more, Chloe. One more. One more coming. I don't know, I forgot the tripod. But I don't have to hold. Tripod stick. I forgot it. We're here having a good time. I'll check back in with you guys in a moment.